Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Okay, you look kind of sleepy today, but before we start our lesson today, let's start with praying together. Okay, let's recite basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, now we would like to do a presentation absence. Okay, so the first one, right?
Present, Miss.
Okay, Ali, present. Ziva,
Present.
Randy,
Yes, Miss.
Chika.
Present, Miss.
Okay, but before we start our lesson, I wanna ask you, how's you feeling today? Are you good today? How about Rai? Here.
Not really feeling well, Miss.
Okay, I hear you're kind of flu.
Yes.
No, okay. How about Alin?
I'm okay, Miss.
Okay. How about Ziva?
A little bit sleepy,
A
Miss.
bit sleepy. Okay. And then how about Randy?
Extremely excited.
You excited? Okay. How about Chika over there?
A little bit sleepy, Miss.
Little bit sleepy. Okay. So most of all like kind of sleepy today. Okay. Do you remember what we learned before? We learned about
Expression.
yes. So see in ten.
Intention.
Yeah, correct. Expressing intention. And today we would like to learn about opinion and thoughts. Okay. Okay. So the learning objective. First, use asking for opinion, giving opinion, agreeing and disagreeing, expression correctly. And then the second one, express opinions about social issues. And then respond to others' opinion politely. And then the last one, participate in a mini discussion confidently. Okay. Okay. So wait a minute. Before we start our lesson and we start our material, let's watch the video, okay?
Okay, Miss.
Can you hear the sound?
Dengan segala caranya, aku minta maaf ya.
Kembali ke kelasmu.
Aku takut ya.
Tapi gara-gara sebuah video yang membuatnya merasa tertekan dan menyalahkan dirinya sendiri.
Nah, sekolah. Semuanya ada di sini. Nyara nggak mau sekolah. Nyara mau, Ma. Cukup. Nyara benci. Nggak ada yang benar-benar peduli sama Nyara. Nyara ini seperti barang mati yang dipindahkan ke sana kemari. Aku rasa ini semuanya sampai kalian buat di sini, Nyara.
Sabar ya, nak.
Arin, lihat, hati-hati. Gak apa-apa.
Sekarang kau datang membawa Naira dan minta aku jadi sosok ibu untuk Naira.
Videonya tiba-tiba mahal di sekolah ini. Kasus cyberbullying ini memang sangat berbahaya. Terkadang pelakunya tidak sadar akan atas tindakannya.
Ya, kini kalau mama dulu jangan takut ya di sini. Mama pasti akan selalu berkunjung. Kalau minta bantuan masalah pelajaran atau apapun, tinggal bilang saja ke kami. Jangan sungkan, asalkan jangan kerja mulu ya. The only person who should try to be better than is the person who worked yesterday. Go and deliver the first deliveries.
Now I know you are a quitter.
Oh aku, Len, kamu aja Len. Apalagi ya, kalau kalian sepakat, aku bisa jadi ketua panitia.
Apa kan mereka?
Ya bahkan Pak, untuk menambah koordinasi timnya.
Awas kau itu ya. Saja ada. Ada saja.
Okay. So that's our video. And then now, please scan this barcode. So have Have you joined, guys?
Not yet, Miss.
Not yet? Okay. How about Rai?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. How about Ali? And the others? Jiva? Nazifa? You
Yes.
ready? Okay. Okay. How about Chika over there?
Yes, miss.
Okay, so please describe the video in one word without using bullying or cyberbullying. So the video before, please describe the video without use word cyberbullying or bullying.
But just one word.
Yeah, just one word. Okay, first word is intimidation. Okay. Okay, dangers. Okay, that's interesting. Intimidation and dangers. Okay, maybe the other. Cruel. That's also interesting. Let's make me remember with Taylor Swift song. Cruel Summer. Okay, what with the others? Oh, there's one more participant who didn't. Okay. Okay, let's review the one participant. Let's read the one. Okay, so is it enough? Okay. Okay, I think it's enough. Maybe. Okay, it's okay. Just 3 participants: dangers, cruel, and intimidation. That's what describe. Can I ask why you choose the word? Why you choose the intimidation and dangers and cruel?
I chose intimidation because cyberbullying is like intimidation people that get cyberbullying from their friends. It's like apa? Ini loh, tadi kan ada physical attack.
Yes, okay.
Terus komen-komennya juga, the comment also in the Instagram, and it's like intimidation for the victims.
Okay, good one. Thank you, Nazifa. That's really good opinion. Okay. Oh, ugly. Why ugly? But it's okay. Okay. Next. Okay. So now we will start the material. So, like I talked before, we will discuss about opinion and thoughts, right? And then what Zifa said, actually, that's an opinion. So what is opinion? Opinion is what you think or what you feel about something. So what you think and what you feel, it is your opinion. There's a differentiation about fact and opinion. The fact, the example here is the earth goes around the sun. That's the fact. That is something that really happened. That proved by scientific or religion, that's a fact. And then there's opinion. The example is, I think English is interesting. That's not all people think English is interesting, right? So something that cannot be proven by scientific or something like that is be called as opinion. That's what we feel and what we think. Okay. And then there's formulas for opinions. First of all is asking for opinion. The first formula is, what do you think about? So this is about asking, right? What do you think about? And then, what is your opinion about? And then, do you agree with? Blah blah blah. And then, how do you feel about? Okay, that's for example. And then the example. Anybody here want to read the example?
I have.
Okay, please. Right.
Okay. What do you think about online learning?
And then,
I think it is useful.
okay, maybe guys, do you know which one that show the asking for opinion formula here in the example?
What do you think?
Okay, correct. Thank you, Rai and Nazifa. And then next, the giving opinion. The formula is I think blah blah blah. in my opinion, blah blah blah, and then from my point of view, and then I believe that. The example, anybody want to read? Maybe Ali? Okay.
In my opinion, social media is useful.
Okay, thank you, Ali. And then, which words that show this is a giving opinion formula?
In my opinion.
Okay, good. In my opinion, thank you, Ali and Ali. And then, do you have any question about this? And then also the description. No, is it clear? Okay, it's clear. Now we learn about agreeing and disagreeing. Agreeing. What is agreeing in Indonesia?
Setuju.
Sepakat. That's right. That's right. And then disagreeing. What is that? Tidak setuju. That's right. So, tidak sepakat. That's right. And then the word that show you agree with something is I agree with you. And then that's a good point. And then I think so too. And then the disagreeing is I don't agree with you. I think you are wrong. I disagree with you. Actually, there's a word that already shown the word, right? Agree with agree. That's a good point, like you really positive with that. And I think so too. You really agree with that also. And then I don't agree with you. Like I disagree with you. I think you are wrong. That's like how you show that you disagree with someone. Okay. Do you understand with this?
Yes.
You understand? Okay. Okay. Now we have a conversation. Okay. So I want Nazifa and Randy to read the conversation here. Okay.
Hi Nazifa, what do you think about social media?
In my opinion, social media is very useful. We can learn many new things and communicate with friends.
That's a good point. I think so. It also help us share information quickly.
Yes, but I think students should use it wisely.
I do agree with you because spending much time on social media can affect our studies.
Exactly. We should balance our study time and social media use.
Okay, good job. Thank you, Randy and Nazifa. Now, let's find the word that show like disagree, agree, asking opinion, and giving an opinion.
That's a good point.
That's a good point.
I think so.
What do you think?
Okay,
In
that's
my
right.
opinion,
Yes.
In my opinion, that's
I
right.
agree with you.
I agree with you. That's right. How about asking opinion?
What do you think?
Okay, what do you think about? That's right. What do you think about this? About asking opinion, and then in my opinion, it's a
Opinion. Giving opinion.
yeah, that's right. Giving opinion. Okay. Hello, Azaria.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Why you late?
I need to bulk this
Oh,
class.
okay, so please sit down. Okay. And now that's a good point, and I think so too. What is that?
Showing agreeing.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, and maybe for Azaria that just come, what is this? I agree with you.
I agree with you.
I agree with you. What is that about?
Agreeing to someone.
Yeah, that's right. Agreeing to someone. Okay. Okay. So we talk about opinion, Azaria. Okay. Thank you so much. Now it's time to practice. Okay. So we have 5 topic actually here, and we will have like a mini debate, but it's just a mini debate. I will separate you guys into 2 groups here. The group 1 is Rai, Alin, and Nazifa, and then the group 2 is Randy, Azaria, and Chika. Are you okay over there? Okay, so I will separate you into 2 groups. Okay, I will separate you into 2 groups, and we have 5 topics. The first one, TikTok is more educational than entertainment. You understand, right? Instagram does more harm than good for teenagers. And then students should be allowed to use AI tools like ChatGPT for school assignment. And then the fourth one, homework should be given every day. And then the last one, students should use smartphones at school. That's the 5 topic, but we will not choose all of them. We will spin, okay? Anybody who want to spin? Okay, maybe I will spin, okay? We will choose. Okay. Okay. Students should use smartphones at school. Okay, do you understand with the topic?
Yeah.
Okay, you understand? Okay, so please separate into the group. Okay, this one and this one. Okay, so maybe you can open that. You will. Okay, maybe Chika can move here. Okay. Okay, now we will do the scissor. Okay, wait. Maybe you need to see that first. Okay. Okay, so who will become the group leader for each group? Randy, okay, how about this one? Rai, okay, so please, Randy and Rai, do the paper, scissor. Paper. Okay, so you win, so you become the pro team, so you agree with the topic. You agree with the topic. Should use smartphones at school, and then this group will not disagree with the topic, okay? Like students should use, so student use not use, okay? Okay, so you can write the topic and then checklist the agree or disagree,
Expression.
and then your opinion. Okay, so please, per person in group have a different opinion to each other. So for example, Randy have a different opinion with Azad. It's still same, you agree with that, but different reason. Okay? And this also, Rai, Nazifa, and Alin, same. You don't agree, disagree with the topic, but have a different reason. Okay, a different reason. Okay, this is 2 minutes, okay? 2 minutes for discussion.
Satu berarti satu. Should use.
The number 5, okay?
Aku influence their
Tadi itu kalau Wiz menggunakan students kalau keluar students should.
Okay. Have you done, guys? Done? Okay, okay. Have you done?
Belajar.
Not yet? Okay, just a little bit. Okay, it's okay. Okay, I think all of you guys already done. And now, okay, so we will start from the agree team, okay? Who will start? Will become the first speaker from agree team. Me, okay. So please you say the topic.
The topic is about student can really use smartphone in school.
Maybe you can
I think students can have full access in using smartphone at school. The reason is it's because we are living in dynamic world today, which is it's urgent to operate smartphone at every aspect of our life, such like we can use taxi, messaging, and the other important things.
Okay, okay. Is the disagreeing group understand what Randy said? Okay, so what do you think about Randy? Are you agree with Randy? No? Why? Why you not agree with her?
Terus
I disagree because students shouldn't use smartphones in school because it ruins their honesty, because the students will open their phones for looking for answer or distract them.
Distracted. So it's not about honesty and distracted.
Yeah.
Okay, how about Azhar? Are you agree with Ziva opinion?
Of course not.
Why?
Yeah, because I think students should need to use smartphone these days sometimes. Okay, sometimes. Why? Because it is very convenient to you, to us, I think, for searching some material. We don't have a complete material in our textbook today, so I think we need to use smartphone for us to search it.
Okay. Do you have any idea about Azhar's perspective? Do you have any disagree about Azhar's perspective?
no other,
Yes.
no other perspective, but perspective for the topic.
Okay.
That's a perspective for the topic, because I disagree students should use smartphone at school because students have a lot of time to use phone at home.
At home.
Yes.
Okay.
So not really find being in
School.
school.
Okay. So it's like just so santai,
Yes.
right? Okay. Okay. Thank you so much for everyone. So the conclusion we have like like the point, right? This is about the honesty, and then terlalu santai, which is santai, and then this is about how we can find a material, and Randy is about this is very useful in the school. Okay, so actually there's two sides of some topic. Okay, of one topic. Okay, thank you so much everyone. And then now we will do the reflection. Okay, 3 things I understand. What you understand today? 3 things you understand.
How to ask opinion
Okay, correct.
and how to give opinion.
Okay, yeah, and then the others, the one.
The expression agree and disagree.
Okay, good job. And then 2 things I need to practice. What you need to practice?
Have a listen for agree and disagree.
Okay, listening others, and then what again? How about your opinion? Do you need to practice your opinion or not? Or like-
Yeah,
Yes.
Okay, so that's what you need to practice. And then one question. Do you have any question? No. So all clear? All clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Then, rate your mood today. Scale 1 to 5. From
In the
third, in the middle is like, oh, are you sleepy?
Which one the first?
Oh, the first. This one's first. Okay. 1 to 5.
4.
4. Okay. 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 And then thank you so much for today. And then for the next week, we would like to have a game also, and then a practice also. So prepare to speaking in front of the class, everyone. Okay. Thank you so much for today. And then before we close our listen today, let's recite Hamdalah together.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.